Right, finally we've got a real Otis lift in the Lowry shopping centre in Manchester. A bit slow for an Otis lift though. Better not be a generic. Anyhow, here it is. And it's a generic. The other lift is broken. Go down to the car park. Looks like it's been boxed together with cardboard and glue. Horrible lift. It's an answer lift. Actually, no, it's an Otis 2000H. Capacity 800 kilos, 10 persons. Built in 2001. Here we are at the car park. Go to ground. Horrible lift. Otis 2000H. Why do they have to knock it off? Here out the ground. And we'll go back up to one. Look at this. Looks like we just boxed together with cardboard and glue. It even has a voice which broke. Here we are back on the first floor. The other lift is broken. Thank you for watching.